Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Shabir Ansari is here. It will be great pleasure for me if you consider to subscribe my channel. Today we are visiting a complaint site from where we have found that main gate of a holy place was flooded, and it was very difficult for people who was visiting that holy place. That is why we are here to unclog the receiver line. Actually, it is also a main place or main chowk of this area. This is a holy place which I am talking about. That you can see it's a main gate of that holy place. It is only entrance of this place, and it's flooded with sewage. You can watch that. Staff is trying to unclog the sewer line with the help of steel bar, but they didn't succeed to unclog the sewer line with this steel bar. So jetting machine has already been called to unclog the sewer line. There we go, jetting machine has been reached, and staff is trying to unclog the sewer line with jetting machine. Actually, we are using jetting machine to wash this span, the sewer pipes, so the sewer line won't get blocked again. The main blockage is in next manholes. This is the next manhole, which is totally filled with trash and rubbish. You can watch that it's totally packed, and it's hard for the staff to remove that rubbish because it is packed and just stuck, almost stuck in the manhole, and it's taking force to remove that rubbish from the manhole. You can watch this trash is mostly
थोड़ी देर अगे
consists
पीछे
of
कर लो फिर छिटे छुटे पै जाने
plastic.
अभी
All kind
थोड़ी
of
देर बाद ले
plastic
आइयो
is
फिर
there. The main problem with plastic is that it's don't decompose and don't go anywhere, and it's cause blockage. It is one of the most and main reason for blocking the sewer lines. You can watch that closely. After removing a huge trash, there is also still a large and huge still in the manhole. I haven't seen yet this type of rubbish in this quantity for anywhere. This is the first time I have seen that there is a huge and it's a huge trash which is still in progress, and it's taking too long to remove from the manhole. What would be the condition of sewer line when the manhole is packed with this kind of rubbish and trash? Unfortunately, there is an excessive use of plastic bags and other things which are made of plastic, and people are not disposing that off in proper way. So this plastic won't get into the manholes and sewer lines. It is much necessary to educate and
दे
people
पीछे भी
and
देख
inhabitants that if they are not going to change their habits, the system is not going to be changed. We should stop the use of plastic in all manners because it's not only destroying the fuel lines but also affecting the health of the people can watch that it still continues. If we are not going to change our habits, this will happen again and again, and the sewer system is not going to work properly, and it will keep blocking again and again. Now the staff is moved to next manhole and removing the again trash and rubbish from the next manhole, which is also blocked, and the level of this manhole is high, means this manhole is also blocked. You can see that the trash has been removed from the site, and jetting machine is now working to unclog the sewer line. Here we go. The sewer line got functional, and the level of sewage is now decreasing with a significant speed. You can watch that. Here we go. We have moved to overflowed portion. Now the sewage which was out of at the road and in front of the holy place now is moving back into the drain. A satisfying unclogging has been completed, and the sewage is now going back into the drains. You can watch that. This is a shop of floors, and some unloading or loading of floors are in progress. That is why this person is standing very near to this train. Now you can watch that the sewage is almost gone. Now the people are clearing and cleaning the road in front of their shops and the main entrance of the holy place. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.